Hello and welcome, dear students, to the fourth week of September, which will continue into the first week of October. The week dates from 27th of September till the 1st of October. I'll discuss the topics, the subtopics, cross-curricular links, and um, the objectives, learning objectives of NCERT with you. We will begin the week with the completion of the Jamaican fragment, which was started in the previous week. We'll continue with the question answers, and this week our focus will be on the portion that is to be completed for term 1 examination. If there is any area which requires revision or which requires revisiting, we will consider those topics into consideration. Then in writing, we will consider the phrasal verbs and collocations, and we will begin with magazine writing. Writing an article for magazine writing, students will be expected to write articles, and as well as a project, write 2-3 articles and create a little booklet or a magazine independently. Listening comprehension, it continues with the listening passage. The teacher will read the passage and the students will respond to it. From the literature book, we will begin with The Happy Prince, which is written by Oscar Wilde. In literature, we are going to begin a drama that will, in this particular week, we are only going to research, that is independent research. Students are going to find out a little more about a background about the drama Michael, which is written by Miles Malleson. The students are expected to find out a little bit about the background about this drama, the summary of it, the theme, and something about the playwright, the characters, and whatever they can find out about this, they need to record it in their notebook as a project. And then we have the reading comprehension, that is from the course book, The Real Life Heroes, The Ballad of Mullen. We had started this, we will continue and complete this part of the course book. From the workbook, we are going to continue and complete the workbook that is being planned for the week, and which is going to feature in the examination. That will be our focus. And then we come to the subtopics. The subtopics include the listening passage, which I've already mentioned. Listening and speaking also involves the class participation and the teacher focus, that is student focus listening comprehension, where the teacher will read out and the students will respond. Apart from that, enrichment is also expected of students. That means I will be requesting students to talk on a certain specific topic. Most probably I'll be selecting it from Michael, the drama, that research that they have done, and they need to speak in the class. And it will be expected that the students, the classmates, ask a question. This will be the enrichment that will be done during this week, and it will continue into the next week also, which is being recorded for the assessments. The poem that we have begun in the previous week, that is the Ballad of Mullen, that it continues with the poem, the appreciation of the poem, the poetic devices, literary devices, and in the phrasal verbs, the students are expected to select that, look up for the meaning, create a word web, and record additional meanings. Collocations, the exercise will be doing that. The link to cross-curricular links to the subject. We have the students need to trace the history of kingdoms, the rulers and their kings, and reflect if they were aware of the conditions of the people in their kingdom. Why are we doing this cross-curricular link with relation to the social studies history? Why? Because The Happy Prince, written by Oscar Wilde, has that kind of background, where the statue of the Happy Prince, he was not really aware of his people while he was alive, and when he passed away and his statue was erected, he happened to see that uh, post death. So we need to find out from the history and the social studies what kingdoms, what places, and what strategy did these people, the kingdom, the rulers used to be aware of their people's conditions. And How will you know that? You will know it from the strategies implemented by them. And now with the current situation also, students can find out if the rulers, those who are bringing out new resolutions, new laws, are they really aware of the people, or when the laws come are out and they are implemented, the people stand up in protest of that. Find out with relation to the farmers law that has come out recently, and try tracing the news and the news that is in progress. Proceeding to the NCERT learning outcomes, we continue with the skills that we had selected previously, and most probably the students must have mastered it, and now it is expected that the students need to progress or exceed the learning indicators. That is to identify the main idea in details, to identify the details, to identify the characters, the main ideas, the sequence of ideas, to identify the text events in the text, non-textual material, and to infer the meaning of unfamiliar words. That means new words. Whenever you come across, you need to look up in the dictionary, and please avoid Google search. Try referring Oxford Dictionary. Look up for the meaning, look up for the word pronunciation and the usage in a sentence. And then when you come across a new word, I always advise you to look up in the Roberts thesaurus, find the synonyms of those words and the antonyms of those words, and try recording in your notebooks. And these words are expected to be used in writing during the week. This will be your vocabulary builder. This will help you build your language. There are no hard and fast rules to building language. You need to take an effort. Whenever you come across a new word, please look up in the dictionary, look up for the synonyms and antonyms. Then proceeding to the use of dictionary, I've already mentioned the use of thesaurus, or just mentioned, and the encyclopedia. With reference to all the research being done, kindly refer to the electronic encyclopedia that is available. To find the meaning, spellings and other words while reading and writing, ask and respond to questions based on the text. That means you need to pose questions while you're reading in class, and you need to respond also when the question is being asked to you. And try reading books which relate to the topics that are being discussed, so that you have immense knowledge of or background knowledge of the theme that is being done. And then out of curiosity, pose questions in the class, and try responding to the questions posed by others. And try reading in the informational texts uploaded by the teacher. And it is also expected that the students revisit all the topics done right from 30th of August till the 30th of September, which those students who are new to my class, kindly subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell, so that you receive the notification of the lessons when I upload. And students are also expected to hit the hit like, so that this video gets added up in their liked list, and refer it throughout the week and during tests and examinations. Thank you very much.